So you entered the world of crypto not too long ago and you started diving into projects and buying random stuff like pancakes, sushi, wagyu, bananas, and other forms of food and possibly non-food cryptos. And now you're having a hard time tracking all of it. Well, I'm gonna show you today how you can track all of your assets in your wallet as well as securing them. So if you do like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. First things first, you're gonna head over to dbank.com. This link is gonna be in the description. Once you're on this page, you're gonna click on login via the Web3 wallet. This will prompt your MetaMask to connect to the website, so you just click next and connect. Now that you're connected, it might show a balance, it might not show a balance. But let's go ahead and click on this profile button. Once you click on this profile button, it'll start updating the data and retrieving all the tokens and assets that are in your wallet. As it retrieves that data, it will also update your balance here at the top, indicating the exact value of your assets at the moment. We see that it's done refreshing and it's completely updated the total value of this specific wallet. And if we scroll down, we can see our top assets, but it doesn't show the tokens that have a value of less than $100. We can click show all and it'll show us the rest of the tokens that we have in this wallet. Additionally, we can see also any tokens that we have in staking or that we are farming either on PancakeSwap, Aave, QuickSwap, ApeSwap, or any other platform. Additionally, you can also filter by whichever network that you have your assets on. You can also note that any networks that you do not have any assets on are automatically grayed out, so you do not have to worry about those. Now that you are familiar on how to track your assets, let's go ahead and secure your wallet. So if we go ahead and click on this approval tab, you'll see that there are some of these tokens that you've owned previously or currently own, along with the amount that you've approved for whichever contract there is. The contract indicates which platform or project is approved to spend this amount of this token. And sometimes you'll see an unknown project. That does not necessarily mean it is a bad project. It simply means that DBank does not know what this contract refers to. And if you want to remove this project, you can click on the decline button. Since I'm not connected to the Ethereum network right now, I'll switch over to the Polygon tab, which is the network that I'm currently connected. You'll see that there's a bunch of network contracts that I had connected to previously, and I can choose to decline, which will remove the permissions for this specific contract. It will charge a gas fee on your corresponding network, and you'll have to confirm the transaction in order to remove the permission of spending that amount of token. I'm gonna go ahead and reject since I do want to keep this spending in there, but you are free to decline the spending for whichever contracts that you deem dangerous or malicious. And that is all for today. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.